we're gonna muck it up, screw it in, and then make a hanger for over here too, the wire and the D-rings. Alright, so what I've done was I spray painted everything black, all the edges, both sides. So this way you'll have a little more 3D look in theory. So we're gonna see if that pans out. I'm just gonna move this to wherever it stabilizes. Alright, so the can's almost empty for me to do it at an angle, so I'm gonna just stand it up. Let's spray it cleanly. We're gonna dry brush this real quick. With the 3D look. The camera never really picks it up most of the time, but it looks great in real life. It's all done. Looking pretty good. Roll of toilet paper for scale. Good, nice little project. I mean, it would have been easy just to spray it all blue, but I wanted to get a little fancy and get all the corners blacked out a little more. Gives it the third color, a little more 3D effect, and it'll look better hanging on the wall, but that's it. So hopefully we're not going to be all chewing on tree bark in 3 months, and hopefully the world will stop being so wildly crazy. And I want to say thank you to all the nurses and all the first responders and everybody else, and just everybody who's keeping peace in these times. So hopefully you enjoyed it, and great success.